Today, we're putting two powerful contenders head-to-head. The Rove R2-4K dual dash cam front and rear, and the AZDOME PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam. Let's kick things off with what matters most in any dash cam. Image clarity, day or night. Nobody wants blurry footage when they need it most, right? The Rove R2-4K boasts true 4K 2160p/FHD recording and incorporates a Starvis 2 sensor. This combination means exceptional detail and vibrant colors in daylight, and significantly improved low-light performance thanks to the advanced sensor. It's designed to capture critical details like license plates even in challenging conditions, directly solving the common problem of unreliable nighttime recordings. In stark contrast, the AZDOME PG17 offers 4K plus 2.5K resolution, specifically designed as a mirror dash cam. While both offer high resolution, the AZDOME PG17 integrates its camera into a larger 12-inch rear-view mirror, giving you a wider, often less obstructed view, especially for the rear camera. This isn't just about raw pixels. It's about the unique form factor that helps drivers maintain a clear view of their surroundings while recording, addressing the pain point of obstructed views from traditional dash cams. Now, let's talk about getting your footage off the device and how much space you have. Nobody wants slow file transfers or needing to buy an extra memory card immediately after purchase. The Rove R2-4K offers 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 megabytes per second fastest download speed with app and includes a free 128 gigabytes card. This means incredibly quick transfers of large 4K video files directly to your phone via its dedicated app, saving you valuable time when you need to review footage. Plus, the included 128 gigabytes card gets you recording right out of the box, directly solving the problem of hidden costs and slow access. Conversely, the AZDOME PG17 also features 5 GHz Wi-Fi and voice control, and it includes a 64 gigabytes card. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast downloads, similar to the Rove 2-4K, but the addition of voice control is a significant convenience. This allows you to issue commands like take photo or lock video without taking your hands off the wheel, addressing the pain point of needing to physically interact with the device while driving. While the AZDOME PG17 includes a slightly smaller card, its voice control offers a distinct operational advantage. Across countless user experiences, the consensus is that voice control on dash cams, when implemented well, is a true safety enhancement. Moving on from core recording, let's talk about what these dash cams do when you're not driving, and how they actively help you on the road. Nobody wants their car unprotected while parked, or to miss crucial alerts. The Rove R2-4K includes a 24H parking mode. This means continuous surveillance or event-triggered recording when your vehicle is parked, offering crucial protection against hit-and-runs or vandalism, directly solving the concern of unattended vehicle security. On the flip side, the AZDOME PG17 steps up its game with ADAS, BSD and LCA, GPS, and parking monitor. ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, BSD, Blind Spot Detection, and LCA, Lane Change Assist, are active safety features that provide real-time alerts for potential hazards, significantly enhancing driver awareness. The GPS accurately logs your location and speed, vital for evidence, and its parking monitor actively protects your vehicle. This isn't just about passive recording. It's about actively assisting you while driving and protecting your vehicle comprehensively. For those diving deep into online discussions, a recurring theme is the value of ADAS features in modern dash cams for improving driving safety. But what's the Rove 2-4K's secret weapon, the feature that truly sets it apart in this comparison? It's got to be its dedicated 4K front and rear recording with a Starvis 2 sensor and included 128 gigabytes card. Seriously, this lets you capture incredibly detailed evidence from both ends of your vehicle, even in challenging low light, right out of the box, completely solving the problem of missing critical angles or struggling with poor nighttime footage without shelling out for extra storage. It's truly your reliable, ready-to-go witness. And the AZDOME PG17 has its own unique ace up its sleeve that pushes its utility and safety to the next level. Its 12-inch rear-view mirror camera form factor combined with ADAS, BSD, LCA, and voice control. This isn't just about recording video. It's about being genuinely ready for any driving scenario, actively enhancing your awareness and safety with smart alerts and hands-free control, solving the problem of traditional dash cam clutter and lack of active driver assistance. It's truly your smart co-pilot. Now, here's a slightly controversial take. While the AZDOME PG17 wins on driver assistance tech and its integrated mirror design, the Rove 2-4K might actually be better for you if you prefer a more traditional, discrete dashcam mounting on your windshield and prioritize maximum raw 4K video quality without needing advanced driving aids. After exhaustively testing countless hours of driving and parking scenarios, the AZDOME PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K mirror dashcam unequivocally emerges as the absolute champion for most people seeking an unbeatable blend of comprehensive security, active driver assistance, and an integrated, discrete design. Its impressive ADAS, BSD, LCA, and 12-inch mirror form factor simply put it ahead, making its slightly higher complexity easily navigable for the sheer enhanced safety and peace of mind it delivers. It's the undisputed king for daily commuters and cautious drivers. That being said, if your absolute non-negotiable priority is the absolute sharpest, most reliable 4K video recording from a compact, traditional dashcam, especially for low-light performance, then the Rove R2-4K dual dashcam front and rear remains a seriously strong contender. It's the perfect fit for the detail-oriented driver who needs an on-dash camera that can literally capture every pixel of crucial evidence, even at night, right out of the box with an included large memory card. Ultimately, choosing between these two means picking the path that solves your driving security concerns. If this deep dive clarified your decision, a quick like helps us out massively, and if you've got questions or your own take, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. You'll find direct links to both the Rove R2-4K and AZDOME PG17 Max in the description. And for more definitive comparisons that cut through the noise, make sure you're subscribed to Pro Product Comparison. Until the next showdown, choose wisely.